So the way that you can do a FaceTime video chat is go to your FaceTime app on your iPhone, click on that, and we're going to press that plus button up there, and I'm going to add some friends or whoever. You could add whoever is in your small group. Don't press the audio button, press the video button, and you would be able to see each other that way, so you can use FaceTime if you all have an iProduct. Whether that be your phone or your laptop or whatever that may be, that could be an option for you, is to use FaceTime video. Again, you can have up to 31 others with yourself, so 32 people total. And then when you're done with the call, you just press that end call button. So I hope that's a good resource for you.